countless weary steps I do not heed, though they be over land or boundless sea. I care not where the road may lead, if I but come again at last to thee. Then touch my lips and bid them sing songs of everlasting praise, that my soul might then believe and give thanks through all my days. Oh, touch my heart and bid it know that every breath I take is by thy tender grace, and thou wilt make me whole, and thou wilt make me whole. And I dreamt that one of that noble host came forth my hand to but I also dreamt it chanting most, that you loved me still the same, that you loved me still the same, that you loved me At last, at last, at long last, a blessing unequivocal, truly it's a miracle, faith restored and hope secure.